Hey friend, happy January and happy new recipe day. I cannot wait to tell you all about this jerk salmon salad recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. It is so stinking good. Now, if you haven't met before, my name's Heather. I run Fit Mama Real Food and I am a mom of 4, I'm a wife, and I love creating simple, healthy recipes just like this one. And I especially love this recipe because salmon is my favorite seafood and it is full of omega-3 fatty acids, so it's just so healthy and good for you. We pair it with some delicious veggies. We've got some black beans, some mango, and this mango jalapeno dressing. So I'm going to show you the how-to, and then you can find the recipe over on fitmamarealfood.com. Just like that, the recipe comes together super quick. The seasoning that we use with the salmon is so tasty, plus the fruity and a little bit spicy dressing is just the perfect combination. So if you try the recipe, I would love to know what you think and leave me a comment over on the recipe. I absolutely love seeing your reviews come in when you've tried a recipe, when you share what your family thought, and every time I see a comment come in, it just fills me with joy. So if you try this recipe or another one, go ahead and leave a 5-star rating and a review and let me and everybody else that checks out the recipe know what you thought. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. We have so many more delicious, healthy, real food recipes coming that I can't wait to share with you. Thank you so much for being here. The link to the recipe is down below. Go click that, go check it out, print it, make it, and have a great rest of the day. Bye.